This is video number 1 for anyone who is doing their own makeup this summer for a special event. That could be a wedding, an anniversary, maybe you're the bride, maybe you're mother of the bride, maybe you're a guest. The first thing you need to learn is what to put on your skin before you apply your makeup. I'm talking about skin prep. Skin prep is very different than skin care. Skin prep is prepping your skin for makeup. So it's not about anti-aging. It's not about correcting anything. It's for creating the perfect canvas for makeup. These are my 3 favorite products to do that. Number 1 is Amberlise. I'm sure you have seen this. It is a viral product for a reason. But before it became viral, it is the number 1 product that most professional makeup artists have in their kit for exactly that reason. It is a very lightweight hydration product that creates a beautiful base under makeup. It doesn't have any flashback. It is good for all skin tones. People just love it. There's a reason. It's like a 25-year-old product. It's excellent and it's very inexpensive. Next up is the Tatcha water cream. This is, again, a very lightweight emollient hydrator. Once it's on the skin, it instantly vanishes, leaving this beautiful sheer veil of hydration. Next, Charlotte Tilbury water cream. So this is a different formulation than her original cream. It is so much lighter and fluffier. This one does have skincare properties. So by the way, if you are a combination oily skin and in the summer you need to lighten up your moisturizer, this will work beautifully for you. Coming from a pro makeup artist, which obviously Charlotte Tilbury is top tier, the formulation of this is exceptional, and it was formulated specifically to work well and marry well with your makeup. These 3 are all excellent, beautiful choices. Make sure you have one of these products before you begin your makeup. And now click follow, because the next thing we're going to go into is best foundations and bases for your special event, and then we'll go on to blushes and eyeshadows and all that. But yes, you can do your own makeup. You've got this.